Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss a historical perspective of database management system. From the earliest days of computers, storing and manipulating data have been a major application focus. In the early 1960s, the first general purpose DBMS called the Integrated Data Store was designed by Charles Bachman at General Electric, which formed the basis for the network data model. Then this network data model was later standardized by the Conference on Data Systems Languages. In the late 1960s, IBM developed the Information Management Systems DBMS, which formed the basis for the hierarchical data model. The several system for making airline reservations was jointly developed by American Airlines and IBM around the same time, and it allowed several people to access the same data through a computer network. In 1970s, Edgar Code at IBM proposed the relational data model. This sparked rapid development of several relational DBMS, and its usage started increasing in managing data in corporate. Soon, IBM in early 1980s has developed a structured query language for relational databases. During this period, the concept of transaction processing was introduced in DBMS system, which allowed the user to run their programs concurrently. Later in 1999, James Gray proposed the database transaction management for processing transactions, which allowed the user to run their programs concurrently. In the late 1980s and the 1990s, advances have been made in many areas of database systems. Then more emphasis is given on new data types such as images and text, and the ability to support complex analysis of data within an enterprise. Then over a period of time, data warehouse systems was introduced, which is used to consolidate data from several databases and for carrying out specialized analysis. Then, by the introduction of ERP and MRP packages, exciting new features were added to existing database systems. Most significant changes in DBMS happen through the integration of DBMS with Internet, which allowed DBMS to store data that can be accessed through web browser. Today, this field is being driven by exciting visions such as multimedia databases, interactive video, digital libraries, and so on. With humongous data being available online, DBMS is gaining more significance day by day. So, this is about the historical perspective of database management system. So, viewers, if you find this video is useful to you, kindly subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.